Welcome, here I've got DOOGEE S95 Pro and let me show you how to turn on and off camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Now let's move up to the second from the left button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage with the grid lines button from the right. So just one tap here and we can turn them on, another tap to turn it off, and the orange color suggests us that now they are turned on. Here in the preview we can see the grid lines. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at the picture. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real photo. So when I take a picture and when I go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them, so they are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need the grid lines, we have to move up again to the second from the left button, tap to grid lines to turn them off, and for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.